How to download Streamlabs on laptop or PC. So if you want to download Streamlabs on laptop or PC, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And you don't have the application on your Microsoft Store or anything, but you need to install that from your browser. So open up your browser. I'll be here with Chrome browser and search for Streamlabs. Once you've searched, here you will have Streamlabs desktop. Click on the first search and then it will take you to the website. So now to download Streamlabs for your desktop, you need to go for download desktop or go for download Streamlabs desktop, which is here on the bottom left. Click on that, and once you click on that, you can simply go for your downloads, which is on the upper side. Go for the full download history, and here you can see your Streamlabs is being downloaded. So it might take some time to download the application. Just wait for some time, and once it's downloaded, you can simply click on that link and click on yes, and then scroll all the way down. And if you want to read all of this, you can read, or you can simply go for the bottom and then you can click on I agree, and it will start the install process. And now you can click on finish, and that's it, you have installed. Now again click on yes. Now if you go for your applications and if you search for Streamlabs desktop, then you will have the application right here. So that's it, that's how you can install the Streamlabs desktop on your PC or laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.